Hey guys.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, we can start now.
Hello, sir. Sir, one
Yes.
more question, sir. What is your advice for freshers, sir?
So this is your first question, not one more question, right?
Yesterday,
Okay. Okay. Your name, please. Like first, you should introduce yourself. Then you should ask.
myself or Kavirsan, sir.
Okay. 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 So how are you doing? Good. You can
Okay,
talk
good,
freely.
sir.
Like, I'm not a very senior most or just like you can talk with your. How are you talking with your friends? You can talk with me. So
Okay,
nothing to be shy or nothing to be worried. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. So ask a question.
Sir, your freshers advice.
So, okay, for freshers, what is my advice? That's what your question is.
Yes, sir.
For freshers, what would I advise is, uh,
Any skills, communication skills, coding skills,
yeah, of course,
anyone.
communication and soft skills are like very basic. So you should have basic level of communication skills and soft skills actually. So communication is in the sense like English you should know because in IT industry you know right. So English is the most common language used across IT industry. So you shouldn't be like a proficiency kind of in English. What is needed is people should understand what are you saying. That is like okay for
Okay,
IT industry. So till that level you should be confident in your communication skills and soft skills like how we are behaving, how we are talking to a people, how you are communicating. Everything includes soft skills. So that you should develop, of course. And so you all are from MCA background, right? So coding background.
yes,
So
sir. Yes,
for
sir.
programmers, what would I strongly advise is to take one professional language like programming
Any one
language.
language.
Yes, 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 of course. Any one language, either it can be C, C++, Java, Python, anything. So take one language in which you are very comfortable. So be proficient in that. So like uh, programming language is like a mode of communication only. C is like Tamil, is like uh, Telugu, Java is like Kannada. It is like way of going, but ultimately coding is like achieve the main goal. So you may take like any one language. C and all is very old. You may choose either of it, like Python you can choose, Java you can use. So in this like you can choose any of that and be strong in it. Strong in the sense like uh, up to some level, not like you shouldn't be very proficiency and all. So nowadays like Copilot and all, many chat GPT, everything came, so everything it answers, but you should be understanding how thing works, how programming language works. So that would be my advice for freshers. And don't be
Okay,
afraid of interviews and all, so you can crack it easily. Be uh, good in your communication skills. People should understand what you are saying.
okay, sir.
And be good in your programming language. Choose one
Okay,
language and be good at it. That would be
okay,
my advice.
okay. Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you.
Sir, one more question. Myself, Srinidhi.
Yep.
So, while attending the interview, the most frequently asked question.
So introduce yourself. That would be the first question everyone will be expecting. So that would be the best question you should prepare for. Uh, Not prepare for, you should be very confidently answering that question, introducing yourself. So the interviewer will ask like who are you, to introduce yourself. That will be your first question. And you should be impressing the interviewer within that like 2 minutes given time. So there you should be very strong. So that is the most common question you can expect from the interviewers,
Okay.
and where you see yourself in next 5 years. That would be one common question, and many such questions are like there. You can Google it; it will be available.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yep. Next, who's going?
Sir, I'm Dinesh Bharvi, sir.
Yeah, hello, Dinesh.
Sir, my question is, what is, sir, excuse me.
Yeah, no problem.
Sir, which domain will you prefer for freshers to shine in IT industry, sir?
Which domain I should prefer? Domain we can't prefer actually,
Yes, okay, sir.
because I'll say my example only, because I was good in Python and Java and all, but now I'm working in SQL, database management. I'm a data engineer now, so that is not in your hands actually. So you will be selected in interview, and as a freshers, right, you will not be knowing where you will be put in. You may be putting in testing, you may be working in some full stack development, you may be working in some front end development domain. Actually you can't choose it. Company will put you where the requirement is. So the domain is something you can't choose actually. So that will be like company dependable. Where the vacancy is, they will put you in, and you should develop your skills there.
Thank you, sir.
If you
Okay,
are
sir.
very strong in one uh, if you are very strong in one domain, right, sometimes, very rarely, for freshers they will hire, because like fresher recruitment is like they'll pick everyone, they'll put everyone like where and all the need is there. You can't select the domain there. So
Okay, sir.
that's how the system works.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I will do. Thank you.
Yep, thank you. Who's next?
Hello, I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, you are audible.
I'm Gautam Srinivasan.
Hey, Gautam. Hello.
What type of database tools you used, sir?
Database tools. So
Uh,
what tools I am currently working on, right?
yes, sir.
I use cloud technologies. So basically, have you heard cloud,
Yes, sir.
AWS?
AWS, Asura, like that.
Yeah. Azure is different. Azure is Amazon.
Uh,
Like Azure is Microsoft, and I am working in Amazon,
okay,
AWS,
okay,
Amazon Web Service. So there I'm using some S3 for file transferring kind of, and I'm currently working in an ETL tool called Zayden. So
okay, sir.
that you may not be aware. That is a in-house tool actually, and I'm working on SQLs, Python's, PySpark, Pythons. So tool level, you may not be knowing where I'm working. I actually that's like in-house tool, ETL development tool.
Okay, sir.
That's where I'm working on actually. Yeah. Does that answer your question?
What, sir?
Does that answer your question? Is
Hi.
it okay for your question?
Okay,
My
sir.
answer.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Fine. Thank you. Okay, who's next? I guess Matthew is the only remaining person, right? Matthew, you are there? Can someone unmute Matthew?
Voice note
Sir,
on
wait,
please.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what is your advice for freshers?
சொல்றேன்.
Advice for freshers. I had already
யாரோ
answered
டைட்டில்
this
சொல்லுங்க,
question,
நான்
I
படிப்பேன்
guess.
நினைக்கிறேன். நான் சொல்லவா?
I addressed this question already, Matthew.
மேத்யூ வேற ஏதாவது கொஸ்டின் கேட்க சொல்றான்.
What is your advice for non-major students?
Okay, non-major students. like mechanical
Okay.
students, CC students, kind of. Okay. Um, so for those people also, I would say the same thing. They should be strong in one professional programming language, and that would help actually. So that is fine. They should be very uh, proficient in that programming language or domain knowledge kind of, because they wouldn't be knowing much of programming languages, right? So they should be knowing some of basics in all the things, SQL, programming language, front end languages. So everything they should be having some basic knowledge. That would be my advice.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable answers, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for
Thank you, sir.
accepting this talk.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.